Problem 3, writing an indirect proof. Given that triangle ABC is scalene, prove that angle A, angle B, and angle C all have different measures. So our thinking process is on the left, and then the proof in paragraph form, more or less, is on the right-hand side. So remember, we begin in step 1 by assuming temporarily the opposite of what you want to prove. So we're assuming temporarily that two angles of triangle ABC have the same measure. We'll assume that the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B. Notice how this is the negation of what we're trying to prove. This will include all possibilities except the one we're trying to prove. Keep in mind the idea is this will lead us to a contradiction, and if every single possibility except the one we're trying to prove can't happen, then the one we're trying to prove must be true. That's the whole idea of proof by contradiction. So moving on to step 2, we need to show that our assumption leads to a contradiction. So we can state, by the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem, the sides opposite angle A and angle B are congruent. This contradicts the given information that triangle ABC is scalene. Finally, our conclusion, we're going to conclude that the temporary assumption must be false, and therefore what we wanted to prove must be true. So we'll state the assumption that two angles of triangle ABC have the same measure must be false. Therefore, angle A, angle B, and angle C all have different measures. Your turn. Given that 7 times the quantity, x plus y, equals 70, and that x does not equal 4, prove that y does not equal 6.